Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on transferring USDT from your SafePal wallet to Coinbase. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, this guide is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Moving your crypto between platforms might seem tricky, but don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. It's easier than you think once you know the right steps to follow. SafePal is a great hardware wallet that offers top-notch security for your digital assets. It keeps your crypto extra safe with its advanced security features, ensuring your investments are well protected. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a popular platform for buying, selling, and managing your cryptocurrency. It's user-friendly and trusted by millions around the world. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring your USDT arrives safely and securely. From setting up your SafePal wallet to initiating the transfer and confirming the transaction on Coinbase, we've got you covered. Ready to get started? Let's go. First, we'll show you how to set up your SafePal wallet if you haven't done so already. This involves downloading the SafePal app, creating a new wallet, and securing it with a strong password. Next, we'll guide you through the process of connecting your SafePal wallet to your smartphone. This step is crucial for managing your crypto assets on the go. Once your SafePal wallet is set up and connected, we'll move on to Coinbase. We'll show you how to log in, navigate the interface, and locate your USDT wallet. Finally, we'll walk you through the transfer process. This includes entering the correct wallet address, confirming the amount of USDT to transfer, and verifying the transaction. By the end of this guide, you'll have successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Coinbase, ready to trade or hold as you see fit. Let's dive in and make your crypto journey a success. First things first, let's open up your SafePal app. You'll need to enter your password or use your biometric authentication like your fingerprint to unlock the app. Once you're in, locate your USDT funds. Make sure you have enough USDT to cover the amount you want to transfer, plus any potential network fees. Now let's switch over to Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular platforms for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies. It's user-friendly and widely trusted by millions of users around the globe. Log into your account and head to your USDT wallet. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your profile. This is where you'll find your unique USDT deposit address. This address is essential for receiving USDT from other wallets or exchanges. Think of it like your crypto's home address. Just as you need a correct home address to receive mail, you need the correct deposit address to receive your USDT. It's crucial to copy this address correctly. A single mistake can lead to your funds being lost in the digital void. Always use the copy function to avoid errors. Double-check and triple-check to avoid any mistakes. It's better to spend a few extra seconds verifying the address than to risk losing your hard-earned money. Also, ensure you're copying the address for the correct blockchain network. USDT can exist on multiple blockchain networks like Ethereum, Tron, and others. USDT exists on different networks, and sending it to the wrong one could result in losing your funds. Always double-check the network compatibility before making any transactions. This small step can save you from significant losses and ensure your funds are safe. Section 4. Initiating the transfer. Sending USDT from SafePal to Coinbase. Back in your SafePal app, choose the option to send USDT. This is where you'll paste the Coinbase deposit address you copied earlier. Before hitting send, take a moment to review all the details. Confirm the amount of USDT you're sending, the network you're using, and that the deposit address is correct. Once you're 100% sure everything is accurate, you can proceed with the transfer. Section 5. Confirmation is key, making sure your USDT arrives safely. After initiating the transfer, SafePal will provide you with a transaction ID. This ID is like a tracking number for your USDT. You can use it to monitor the progress of your transfer. Keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet as well. The transfer time can vary depending on network congestion, but you should see the USDT reflected in your Coinbase balance soon. Section 6. Staying safe and troubleshooting. Tips for a smooth transfer. When it comes to cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Always double-check addresses, choose the correct networks, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. If you encounter any issues or delays, don't panic. You can use the transaction ID to track the transfer's progress. If you need further assistance, both SafePal and Coinbase have support teams ready to help. Section 7. You did it. Transfer complete. What's next? This is a significant milestone in your crypto journey. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to Coinbase. This means you now have more flexibility and options at your fingertips. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? The process might have seemed daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you've managed to navigate through it smoothly. Now you have your USDT on Coinbase, ready for trading, spending, or whatever you plan to do with it. Whether you're looking to trade for other cryptocurrencies, cash out, or use it for purchases, the possibilities are endless. Take a moment to explore the various features Coinbase offers. You can check out market trends, set up alerts for price changes, and even learn more about different cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication and other security measures. Keeping your assets safe is just as important as making successful transfers. Ready to make your first trade on Coinbase? Dive into the trading interface and explore the various options available. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, Coinbase provides tools to help you make informed decisions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We're here to help you on your crypto journey. Happy trading!